that why is there so much of pink in the background, in the foreground. So today's video is going to be a very different video from my usual videos. So today's video is a pink outfit challenge, but with a twist. So what we're going to do in this video is that I'm going to be creating 9 different pink outfit looks, but the twist is that I have here 9 different items which have been chosen and labeled number wise by my sisters. So what I have to do is I have to pick these things according to their numbers and I have to create an outfit using these objects. Means these things should be included in my outfit. So I'm very excited. I know you are too. So let's quickly go. Okay, so starting with the first thing, we have this box which is labeled as 1, which I have to use in my first outfit. I obviously cannot use this whole box, but let's see what's inside. Maybe I can use something that lies inside. So we have a lot of things inside this. We have a bracelet, we have a choker, we have neck piece. Okay. We have a beautiful golden neck piece, and I think this is the perfect thing that I can use to create my outfit. Just a second. Okay, so this is basically a 3-layered neck piece. I showed this one I think in one of my haul videos also. So I'm gonna use this to create a beautiful pink look. What I'm thinking is I'll wear some dress or something. So let's quickly see what I create with this. Okay, so for our first dress, what I've done is I have worn this pink one piece. You might have seen this earlier also. I have posted a few pictures on my Instagram with this outfit. So I got this one from Myntra. And I have obviously paired it up because ये तो necessary था. So it was a 3-layered necklace which I actually showed you. But वो 3 layers में बहुत dramatic लग रहा था. So what I did was I just pulled off with the first layer. And for my hair, I have done absolutely nothing. Basically my hair are in a really bad condition right now. So what I did was I just gave them a middle part and I just, took the front section and put it behind my ears. So that is a very effortless look that you can do with your hair. And I absolutely love this look. Okay, so coming to the second thing, let me see. Yeah, this is the second object. So we have, this is also a sort of miscellaneous box that I use for different stuff. I keep my hair accessories in it and different things. So we have a lot of things in it. We have headbands, we have rubber bands, we have scrunchies, we have earrings. Yeah, we have a headband also. Okay, so we have these beautiful oxidized earrings and I think I can create a beautiful pink look with these. So I'm gonna be doing that. Let's go. So we have an Indian look finally in this video at a very early stage. So for this look I've not done much. I have this pink, very beautiful anarkali. It has a really nice gray also. And it comes with these pink pants along with it, matching pants. And it has a dupatta in this shade, but I don't usually wear the dupatta. I obviously styled this up with these earrings because they were my object for this task. And as of my hair, they are the same as the previous look. And I have put on a bindi. And the makeup is same for all my looks. So yeah, this is pretty much it. And I really love this anarkali. You might have seen it in a lot of my videos. I wear it very often. So do let me know how do you like it and let's go ahead. Okay, now coming to the third object, this one. So we have this very cute bag. And I think yes, I can pull off a pretty good look in pink. Though it will be a little difficult, but let's see what can I mix and match with this bag and create. Let's go. Okay, so this is my final look with this bag. अब यहाँ पे मैंने थोड़ी सी cheating की है because I have worn this black top. I firstly couldn't find anything pink जो इस स्कर्ट के ऊपर जाए, and secondly the thing is that this bag was also pink, the skirt was also pink, तो अगर मैं यहाँ पे कुछ pink पहनती तो काफ़ी अजीब लगता. So what I did was I paired this black almost off shoulder top with straps here with this bag and this very cute flowy floral skirt, and I swear ये मैंने last year खरीदी थी and I'm wearing this today for the very first time. I don't know why, but I think this look is so pretty. I don't know why did I not try it earlier. This can become a perfect market look. You can go anywhere. You can go on a picnic wearing this. It's so cute. I really love the outcome. And yes, like this skirt, oh my god, I love this. Number 4, we again have a bag. So this is basically a sort of mini school bag. This is one of my sister's bag only. She used to use it for her school exams. So let's see. I am thinking I'll create a very cute, back to school sort of look. So let's go. So in this particular look, I think I look really cute, like a small little schoolgirl. Oh my god. Okay. So basically I have this top which is like off shoulder from one side and okay from one side. So I've worn this. This is in a very light pink color. Along with this, I'm wearing these black shorts which I ordered very recently. You might have seen them in the Urbanic haul. So I got these from Urbanic and this was to our object only. So this is the bag that I had to use for this particular look. And for my hair, if you can see, I have used these pink rubber bands to make these open ponytails, and I think I look really cute. Object number 5 is this watch. So this is also a pink watch, and I think this is the most easy thing to incorporate and create a look with. So I mostly use this watch when I'm working out. So I'm thinking of creating a pink workout look which will look absolutely amazing with this watch. So let's go. So for this outfit, I have tried creating a proper workout outfit, and I swear this is the outfit which I mostly wear to my workouts. If you've seen my time lapses on Instagram, my workout time lapses, you would see I'm wearing this most of the times. So this is a normal pink full length t-shirt, but what I do is when I work out, I just tie it like this so that it doesn't disturb me a lot. And this is basically a jogger sort of, which is in grey color, but it has this pink lining, if you can see. And along with it, I obviously have my watch because this was the object, so this was necessary. And for my hair, I've gone for a medium high ponytail, and yes, I think this can be the perfect workout look for anyone. Number 6 is this pink colored scrunchie. I know it's very easy to use, but then I have to think that what pink outfit of mine would go with this and what will exactly look good with this. So yeah, let's see what am I able to create with this. So in this look, what I've tried to do is to create an Indo-Western look. I don't know कि कितना हुआ या नहीं हुआ, I don't know. But basically what I've done is, this is a like light pink t-shirt that I have. I'm wearing a dark blue colored jeans इसके नीचे, and I had this shrug of my mama. So this is just a shrug. So I tried wrapping it up over the t-shirt and the jeans ka combination, and I think it gives the look of a kurta, and I styled this scrunchie here in my hand only because I thought that this look would look much better with open hair. Or if you want to tie up your hair, you can make a French braid, which would have taken a lot of time and I'm too lazy. So I just ended up opening my hair, and I've also used this ear cuff, if you can see, to make it a little pepped up. So yeah. Object number 7. Okay, so I have this pink straightener cum curler. So this is from Nova, I think, yeah. So this is also in pink color, so I have to use this to create my outfit. So I'm thinking that I'll straighten up my hair and I'll create a beautiful... No, I can curl also. I think I'll curl and I'll create a nice look. Let's see. Okay, so I tried creating this formal look with this curler wala object. So I curled the front of my hair, if you can feel. मैंने बहुत light curls किए हैं, but yeah, if you can see. So yeah, that is what I did of the object, and this is a pink shirt जो मैंने पहनी है. And apart from this, this is a black pencil skirt that I had, so I want this. And this is pretty much about this formal look, and I must say I really like it. So object number 8 are these. So I know they are really dirty. I don't know why did my sister select these, just because they are pink. I'll have to get them washed soon. Oh god. Okay, anyway. So these are like pink, light pink sneakers. Though they have been dirty, so they light pink lag nahi rahe, but they are light pink sneakers. So I have to use them now and create a, you know, sort of casual look, I'm thinking. Or maybe I can create something Indo-Western. Well, let's see. Let's go! Okay, so this is the look that I have created. So what I've done is I'm wearing the same t-shirt as I was wearing, but in the bottom I'm wearing this pink, like a dark pink harem, and obviously my sneakers, wo to pehenna hi tha. For my hair, I've gone for a normal high ponytail along with a pink rubber band, obviously. So this is basically one of my most comfortable outfits in this whole video, because the harem, I mean, it was in a lot of trend earlier. Now people don't usually prefer harems. मैंने भी ये बहुत पहले खरीदा था, but I don't feel like discarding it. This is so comfortable, and this is honestly my go-to look for my dance practices, because it's so airy and so comfortable. You can carry it anywhere and everywhere you want, and there will be no sweating. At least it's so airy that, you know, you can move your body freely, which you have to do in dance. So I think this is the perfect thing. And the final and the last object for today is this very cute pink unicorn. So this is also of my sister's. She really loves it. It is her favorite soft toy. So we're going to use this pink unicorn and create a look. So what I'm thinking is I can create a beautiful, you know, night suit look along with this, because people mostly take their soft toys and sleep. So I'll create a night suit look, and luckily I also have a pink night suit which is furry, but okay, I'll manage that. Okay, let's go. And last but never ever the least is this night suit. So luckily, as I said, I have a pink night suit. So I paired it up with this very cute unicorn wala soft toy. So this is how it looks. This is a very, you know, simple but furry night suit. I feel really hot in this right now. So yeah, I got it last winters and I haven't worn it a lot, but I really love it, and I think it perfectly matches with the challenge as well as this cute unicorn. So yeah. Okay, so we are done with all the objects. I hope that you enjoyed this video. So basically I created this video because a while ago I uploaded a community post where you guys had told me in so much of numbers that we want to see your outfits, we want to see your wardrobe, please show us, please tell us where do you get your outfits from and how are your outfits. So I thought that why not create a different sort of video and show you all sorts of my outfits that I have, because a normal video just showing my outfits would have been a little boring. So if you like this video and you want me to create similar videos for different colors, or maybe showing my wardrobe or my outfits, do tell me in the comment section below. If you like this video, do not forget to hit the like button, share it with your friends, comment down below and do subscribe to the channel. I will see you again very soon with more such fun content. Till then, stay safe, take care, bye bye.